Hey everyone! Welcome back to my channel. Today, I'm super excited to share a haul from Nihaojewelry, a wholesale platform that offers a huge variety of fashion jewelry, accessories, and more. If you're someone who loves crafting, reselling, or just finding trendy pieces at great prices, then you're going to love this one. Nihaojewelry was founded in 2013 and they specialize in online wholesale for fashion jewelry, accessories, and even clothing. They have over 300,000 products on their site, making it a go-to for boutiques, online shop, resellers, and small business owners. And the best part, the website is multilingual, they offer worldwide shipping, and they have over 40,000 items with free shipping. They don't have a minimum order quantity. So even if you're just starting out, you can still order small and grow at your own pace. They also support drop shipping, which is perfect if you have Shopify store. And new users can even get up to $40 off your first purchase, which is amazing. And if you're in Mexico and any order over 2,000 Mexican peso gets free shipping delivered in just 2 to 5 days. I've added all the links in the description below. Make sure to use my exclusive 10% discount code ANN at checkout for a sweet little deal. Now, let's dive in and see what we've got.